Welcome to Software Sensei, your go-to channel for mastering technology and software development. Today, we're diving into how you can become a web designer, a career that blends creativity with technical skill. Becoming a web designer requires a diverse skill set. First, get comfortable with the building blocks of the web: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These languages are your foundation for creating visually appealing and functional sites. But it's not all about coding. Proficiency in design tools like Adobe Photoshop is essential for bringing your creative visions to life. A well-constructed portfolio showcasing your best work is crucial for securing opportunities and demonstrating your capabilities. Web design is like architecture for websites. It requires a blend of graphic design skills and technical know-how. Keep your knowledge up to date with the latest trends, including mobile optimization and AI applications in web design. Don't forget the importance of UX and UI design principles. Mastering responsive design and understanding how to create user-friendly and accessible sites are keys to success. Soft skills, such as communication and teamwork, are also vital. They ensure successful collaborations and client satisfaction. Engage in small projects, pursue professional certifications, and use social media and SEO to promote your services. Remember, a compelling portfolio and continuous learning are your pathways to a successful career in web design. Thank you for watching Software Sensei. Stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips to elevate your tech skills.